ayizimnyama ngenkani madoda azodibana ne AmaZulu bathi inyoka elihlazana mabona bulawe ayo madoda yazi mawukhuluma ngale game lena khumbuza kudala lapha kusadlala abo Jomlaba khona iCrossman bebabuza uJomlaba idlala ngaka right ngapha awu Julius Chirwa amaCrossman ke lawo ebesiwabukela amasakhulu manje mazohlangana nensizwa ke ngapha ke angazi bayovimba bani madoda ngoba ngabona le game leyo banzima kakhulu for AmaZulu. You know why izobanzima kakhulu? We need to show as Pirates ukuthi there's life after everything that happened. We can still carry the ship. Coach Ncikazi and the boys, they need to carry the ship to say, no, bengasi uJose I1 that was carrying the ship. We were there helping him to carry the ship. So we will continue to carry the ship. Abo Mfukeng Nkotha Maswanganyi the other player nayo seka uthi ukuvuka nayo Kim Vidi manje ngibona uvukile emaqandeni uKim Vidi nayo Kim Vidi manje ngibona uvukile emaqandeni uKim Vidi I think uvukile emaqandeni uKim Vidi I think no Pirates need to win man. I know uLotuzana laphana kaMaZulu umfowethu laphana uArthur he needs naye ama points laphana but you know akakhumbule coach Arthur please remember man ukuthi you know in the Bible kune verse that says bathi umfana olahleka umfana lo wacela into zakhe wahamba ubaba wakhe amnika yonke into athi nazo okwakho umntanami ungahamba ukhumbule ekhaya ata uyazi boy ibuya kuphi boy ipakaniya ata umfana ipakaniyo ata so whatever you do you must know that ekhaya kusekhaya mfana githi no I'm joking but in reality ekhaya kusekhaya because Ata played for Pirates for years and years since he was a young boy and he did wonders at Pirates and he went to Chiefs and become a coach. Now he's coaching AmaZulu and so far he's been doing very well for AmaZulu and
Omni Sports.
Break it down. Africa's premier sports destination. Yeah.